Imagine a world where doctors can detect cancer and viral infections before symptoms even appear. What if I told you that AI can now spot these threats at a scale 5,000 times smaller than a human hair? This groundbreaking technology is not just a dream, it's happening right now. Stay tuned as we explore how AI is revolutionizing early disease detection and what it means for the future of medicine. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an incredible AI breakthrough that's making waves in the medical community. Researchers at the Center for Genomic Regulation have developed an AI tool called AINU that's redefining how we detect diseases. This isn't just another incremental improvement, we're talking about a quantum leap in diagnostic capabilities that could save lives. So, what exactly is AINU? This AI tool can detect cellular changes as small as 20 nanometers. To put that in perspective, that's 5,000 times smaller than the width of a human hair. This level of precision allows AINU to differentiate between cancer cells and normal cells with remarkable accuracy, but that's not all. AINU can also detect the very early stages of viral infections within cells. This is crucial because early detection can significantly improve treatment outcomes and reduce the spread of infections. Now, you might be wondering how AINU achieves such incredible precision. It uses a type of AI known as a convolutional neural network, or CNN. This technology is similar to what powers facial recognition in your smartphone, but instead of recognizing faces, AINU recognizes minute changes in cellular structures. The AI analyzes high-resolution images of cells taken with a special microscopy technique called STORM, or Stochastic Optical Reconstruction Microscopy. This technique allows researchers to see details far beyond what traditional microscopes can capture. By examining these images, AINU can identify patterns and differences that are invisible to the human eye. Let's talk about the real-world impact of this technology. Imagine a patient coming in for a routine checkup. With AINU, doctors could potentially detect cancer cells before they form visible tumors. This could lead to earlier interventions and significantly better survival rates. They could identify viral infections days or even weeks before symptoms appear, which is crucial in managing outbreaks and preventing the spread of diseases. Additionally, AINU allows for monitoring treatment effectiveness at a cellular level, enabling personalized treatment plans based on how a patient's cells respond to therapy. The implications of these capabilities are enormous. Early detection is key in treating both cancer and viral infections, and AINU could be a game changer in how we approach these diseases. But the potential doesn't stop at diagnostics. This technology could also revolutionize drug development. Researchers could use AINU to test new cancer treatments more efficiently, develop antiviral drugs faster, and personalize treatments based on a patient's unique cellular response. This means that not only can we detect diseases earlier, but we can also tailor treatments to be more effective. Now, it's important to note that while this technology is incredibly promising, it's still in the research phase. It will take time before we see it implemented in clinics and hospitals. However, the potential is undeniable, and we're excited about what the future holds for AI in medicine. But here's the twist. What if this AI technology could also be used for something unexpected? Imagine a future where AINU not only detects diseases, but also predicts them based on genetic markers and lifestyle choices. This could lead to a world where we can prevent diseases before they even start, fundamentally changing the way we think about health and wellness. The ethical implications of such power could spark debates about privacy, consent, and the very nature of healthcare itself. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the potential of AI in medicine, or do you have concerns about its implementation? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video informative, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more cutting-edge science and tech news. Don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest uploads. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.